Bitterly disappointed. Obviously, to lose a derby, be it home or away, is really disappointing. But I think on the chances that we've had, probably in the second half, I'm more disappointed to not have won the game than not to have got something out of it at the end. You know, the goals in the first minute and 30 seconds, and the goal right before half time, just give us uphill battles to fight and climb. But the lads stood up to that in the second half, and thought our performance in the second half was worthy of something. I just feel that we've been a little bit unlucky in front of goal tonight. You know, we know exactly what we're going to get when we go down to Pembroke at the weekend. You know, they're men. It'll be a battle. We've got to win that battle again and try and go and win a game of football. But that's no easy. We've on a bad run of results at the minute, losing 2 games, 2 home games. So we need to turn the corner and quickly, and hopefully we can go and do that Pembroke at the weekend.